2 days ago it was my birthday. My birthday. And I like to wish myself happy birthday, Nicole, and say this to my father, Daddy, I want a pony. Yeah, so it was my birthday 2 days ago, maybe three now, since it's midnight. And my friend, my classmates came over to my house to surprise me. I was like, oh my god, my house, it's messy. You hid in my cave-like bedroom, like embarrassing to the max. Yeah, but it was fun. Yeah, I actually didn't know that my dad had that much alcohol in the house. Yeah, okay, so anyways, wow, it's my birthday. Birthday is a big thing, you know. It's one day in 365 days that you actually are able to and deserve to be pampered and actually think for yourself and think of yourself, and everything has to be about you because it is your birthday, your day. Nobody's gonna change that. Nobody has any rights to do that unless of course it's their birthday as well, you know. That sucks. That will suck. So hugs and kisses, you know.